In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily face swap in Capcut in 2024. That's quite simple and interesting, but before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So guys, first of all, you will have to open the Capcut application. Now once you're on this page, you will have to go to templates, and now you'll have to search for face swap, and then search for it. And now you will simply have to
I wanna be my dream girl, doing everything I've never seen, girl.
okay, that's not right.
Now
I think this one
there's
is,
nowhere to
yeah.
hide.
And this is a face swap template that you can use. You simply click on use template and then add any one of your photos, and you'll be able to swap your face or your hair color using this template. And you can also check that how many people have used this template. So that's how you can easily face swap in CapCut. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit